If you want to change the lock screen clock on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization, and then choose lock style. Over here you will find your current lock screen, and you can press customize in order to customize it. Tap on this area where you have the clock. You can tap on the clock in order to switch to digital, hours or minutes, and then of course you can separate it, and here you can set minutes. So you can set, for instance, hours in the first field and minutes in the other one. You can also choose different date format and stuff. You can switch the font, so you can press font over here in order to apply a different font, as you can see, and you can also choose a different color, or even apply you can apply even two colors at the same time. And then once you are done, press done in the top right corner, and you can apply the changes by pressing apply over here in the top right corner. In addition to that, we also have different presets for the lock screen with different clocks. So as you can see over here, we have this rhombus clock. Then we have a magazine type lock screen where we have such clocks as this one huge, this smaller, this weird looking over here, and so on and so forth. So you can customize them as well. So you can start customizing that. As you can see, we can tap here and we can use a different language, we can choose a different color, and so on and so forth. So lots of customization options actually. And then of course you can press apply again, and you can also switch the wallpaper, so if you wish to use something else, then why not. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!